The whole world has gone digital. Research says that the digital market is seen to reach much faster among their customers than the traditional one. Today, digital transformation services are playing a vital role in improving customer experience and business models. So, have you adopted the digital mode for your business yet? If not, then watch out the top 5 reasons why to transform your business digitally. The first reason is enriched customer experience. Today's customers are looking for valuable, easy, and quick solutions to their problems. Mobility channels and social media presence for your business can gather valuable insights and feedback from your customers, thereby helping you to improve your business products and services. The second reason is increased profitability and reduced cost. Businesses always look for reduced cost and higher profitability. This may not be possible with manual business processes which are time consuming and prone to errors. Digitizing and implementing IT solutions for your business helps in better savings and increased sales. The third reason is digitization brings innovation in business. With advancing technology, customers demand better services. Digital technology solutions like mobile apps offers a supportive environment for agility and innovation in work, fulfilling customer demands more efficiently. So, the businesses need to approach digital transformation services and stay updated. The fourth reason is smooth business process. Digital transformation allows your business to analyze more and more data, and you can finally have an understanding which processes or techniques are more efficient and working well for your business. The last reason is digitization facilitates efficient collaboration across departments. Digitization ensures growth for your business and enhances productivity of your department and staff. Digital advancement leads to a better communication with the clients, which helps in gaining their trust and ensure client satisfaction. So, with all these reasons, there is no doubt that digital presence can revolutionize any business. Adapting quickly to digital technology ensures success for any organization. Want to be on the top of your competitors list? Consider going digital with QS's Technosoft. Let's connect to discuss your requirements in detail.